Alright, check this out. Listen here, you fucking goofball. Yeah, I'm talking to you. I wasn't even looking at you. I was looking at myself in the fucking selfie. Now listen. This video is about how you can get over your dumbass excuses and film anywhere you want. And as long as you have like some pretty decent information, nobody gives a shit what your environment looks like unless that's part of your status. Do you know where I'm filming right now? I'm not going to tell you to the end of the video. And don't fucking fast forward to the end of the video because this is going to blow your mind. Fuck it, I'll tell you. I'm filming in a shithole bathroom in my basement. Look at this. It's going to blow your lid. This is a bathroom. And I'm using a wide angle camera lens. This bathroom is as small as a closet. And we threw some wallpaper up on the walls. And look at this. I got a selfie. See that on the camera? It's a little selfie ring light. Cost me like 10 bucks on Amazon. So it looks all dope. Look at this quality. And oh yeah, I didn't show you. I got foam. A little studio foam all over the walls and on the ceiling. See all that foam? But I can see the foam right there, Keefy. Oh yeah? Well look, now it's gone. What you gonna do now? Punk? Shit's gone. Now look at this. I was in the process of writing my last book. I got obsessed with writing and studying publishers and great authors, and some of the greatest New York Times best-selling authors. This has everything to do with what I'm talking about, right? There was a few of them that had busy lives, and they had, you know, spouses and children and day jobs, and they would literally do weird things. Like in the morning, they'd wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning, like 2-3 hours before they had to get ready and leave for work, and they would lock themselves in a fucking broom closet or in a laundry room in a little closet and put their feet up and squeeze a chair in there or sit on pillows with nothing but their laptop, and they would type their asses off in a little tiny environment because they wanted to be a writer so bad. And they did that, and that became their little spot. If you study NLP, neurolinguistics, neuroscience, that there's different, like basically Brennan Burchard taught me this, but he got it from neuroscience. See, I'm in this little area. If all you have is such a tiny, let's say you live in a little tiny ass one-bedroom apartment or like a mobile home, and well, and you only have one space to work. Say it's a kitchen table or something, like you can face this way while you're doing your day job, your work. You can face this way while you're dealing with your personal shit and fucking around on social media. But when you're focusing on like your book, you can face this way, and just the different angles will train your brain that when you're facing this way, or you're looking out the window, that's when you're writing your best, or you're making your best videos, right? So I'm toying around with this idea. Okay, so I'm all the way down in the basement in a bathroom, right? Why am I down here when I have a whole house and a studio? Because I love my dogs, but these motherfuckers, I can't even believe that they're not barking right now. These motherfuckers are gonna put me, they're fucking my shit up, dude. And my wife yelling at me, like, just because you're having something, like, when you live with other human beings in a household, they got their own shit going on in their heads, and sometimes it comes out of their mouths. And I've had to condition myself. My wife, if she's busy sewing and doing her business, I'll get a crazy epiphany, and I'll go, honey, what do you think about this? And she's like, get the fuck out of my face. And I'm like, so I'll hold my tongue. I won't say anything. I just let her be in her zone. And she's learning to let me be in my fucking zone. But what I'm talking about is, I digress, is I'm in this fucking bathroom. This shit is small. I think I like it in here. I'm gonna make a bunch of videos up in this bitch. But you can tell there's a toilet right here. I got foam up there. Oh, did you hear that? have anxiety because I'm starving to death. You know I'm starving? Well, first of all, I'm thirsty. But I'm fucking starving. My wife and I, what do you want to eat for dinner? I'm like, I don't give a fuck. Whatever the fuck you want to eat. She like, I should cook some fucking shit for you. And I'm like, yeah, that sounds good. And she goes, no, maybe we should eat this for dinner. I go, oh, that sounds really good. And she goes, no, I want this for dinner. And I go, that fuck sounds real good too. Sometimes this is what I do. If I want to eat stir fry for dinner, I'll say, I don't want to eat stir fry. And that makes her want to make stir fry anymore because of the way her brain works. And then I'm up like, eat that stir fry. Listen, what the fuck does this have to do? Because this is what I'm talking about. When you got your space, dog, you gotta be yourself. Or you could be a fucking sellout. That's when you get real fucked up. Because how you going to be going on YouTube talking about how you believe in aliens and conspiracy theories and shit, and these motherfuckers be like, I love this motherfucker. Listen. But back to what I was saying about my wife. So, normal people probably eat dinner at 6 p.m. If I eat, then I won't be hungry. Then I won't be hungry. She, why aren't you hungry? Did you already eat? Now you don't want to eat with me? But if I'm too starving, I'll eat real fast, and now she's upset. Because, why are you eating so fast? I thought we spent time together. Because we eat dinner at the dinner table every night. We don't eat dinner till like 3 o'clock in the morning. Because we just keep on not eating dinner. And we don't end up eating dinner until we're fucking starving. Why am I bitching about this shit? What the fuck was I talking about? Did you hear that? So, you got your space. You know what this was? This was a shithole bathroom from like 1964. It was green cabinets and fucking... Behind me was like brown wood. We painted the brick white. We remodeled this whole bathroom for under 300 bucks. Brand new sink and vanity, and it's in a basement. I'm sitting on a toilet right now. Dude, this is pretty dope. I could fucking like... Oh my god, this could be like my new spot. I could get a lot of fucking work done in here. You think I would have centipedes crawling on my fucking head? I feel a little claustrophobic in here though. I don't know, fuck this. I'm hungry. I want to go eat. Peace.